everyone, my name is Nevispipia and I'm a real estate agent here in Orlando, Florida. In this opportunity, I'm in the beautiful city of Clermont, and this is the reason why I wanted to present myself here, because we have the beautiful Lake Louisa in the back, which is one of the most beautiful parts of Clermont. Clermont, let's say, is a beautiful city just because of the lakes. It has a chain of lakes that you can enjoy just by yourself if that is something that you would like to do. Follow me. I want to present to you this beautiful house that has 2,500 square feet. This house has 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and it's beautiful. I can't wait to show you, so stay tuned. As you can see, this house has a beautiful opening. I don't know, but the first time that I saw this entrance, I fall in love. So the first thing that you're gonna see is this beautiful area that you can basically start a conversation with whoever is visiting you. Now, if you follow me at this side, in the left side of the house, we are gonna find the master room, which, as you can see, we have 2 small beds instead of only 1, but you can basically have any layout that you would like to have here. Follow me here so I can show you the master bathroom, which has 2 walk-in closets. And if you follow me for here, you're gonna see that we have 1 for you and 1 for your husband, or vice versa. And in here you have, of course, the most important part of the house. Coming out of the master bedroom, we're gonna find the social area of the house, which is beautiful. If you follow me, I can show you more of this beautiful house and everything that it has to offer. Over here you can find the beautiful kitchen. Please look at the beautiful countertop. I do love this color, but also what I love the most about this kitchen is the connection that it has with the laundry. So please follow me so I can show you the laundry room, and also this right here, which is my favorite part of the house in every single house that I go, because I'm a foodie. And please, let's not forget about the garage, where you can fit 2 vehicles very comfortable. Coming out of the kitchen, we will find 2 bedrooms, so please follow me. Right here you will find the first one. As you can see, it has a good size. You can see the closet also. And one feature of this house is all the light from the natural sun that you can find. So please see these bathrooms. As you can see, the house is very well maintained. And at the end, in this area, you will find an extra bedroom that is very similar in size, that has his closet and everything. I'm gonna continue seeing the social area of the house. As I told you before, it's a very open floor plan, which invites you to this area right here, which is also my favorite because you can do many things here. As I showed you this beautiful patio, I want to also mention to you that this house is a corner lot. So as you can see, this patio is huge, and it's because it is a corner lot. Also, you can see that it already has all these fence that you don't have to worry about. And another good thing about this patio is that it's concrete. As we come inside the house from the patio, we still are in the social area of the house, but I do have something else to show you, and it's the last bedroom. Please follow me so I can show you. Right here you will have the bedroom. It's a beautiful bedroom. As you can see, they are very similar in size, and also you can see that it has its closet, which is amazing too. And if we come here, there is a good feature about the house is that this bathroom right here, that has, of course, the shower, the toilet, and the sink, has connection with the patio. So if in one opportunity you think about having a pool or a jacuzzi over there, you already have this bathroom to be used. You have a bonus room in this house. As you can see, it's right now a bedroom, but you can do whatever you want with this space right here. It can be a game room, it can be anything that you want. And the good thing about it is that you have an actual full bathroom over here. I really hope that you like this video and that you love this beautiful house. And before I leave, I just want to let you know a little bit of this house, some more information. And one good fact about this property is the area. So the first thing that I love about this area in particular is the lakes. As I told you at the beginning, this area is famous because of the lakes and all the beauty that you have around your house. Another good thing is the schools. The schools are like top in this area. They are A1 schools, so I'm pretty sure that your kids are gonna have the best education. Another good fact is that the HOA is only $375 a year and there is no CDD in this community. Okay, so this was the final part of the tour, but I just want to let you know that please follow me on this YouTube channel. This is my first video in English, so I would love you to share, to subscribe, and also give me some likes if you like this video. I'm gonna leave all the good information about this house right here down below, and if you don't mind, please remember to subscribe, and I see you in another video. Bye.